A voucher that has been fully approved still needs one final action, the actual payment. In ZetaFisc only the payment team can do this, which keeps the people who approve money separate from the people who release it. Here, Ada in finance is the payment officer. She signs in. She opens vouchers under payments, then uses the filters button to show only those whose status is approved, the ones both approvers have cleared and that are now waiting to be paid. Here are the approved vouchers awaiting payment. She opens the first one to settle it. Because she is on the payment team, the voucher shows a record payment button. She clicks it. She picks the account the money actually leaves from, the company bank account. The amount is already filled with the approved total, and the date defaults to today. She confirms by recording the payment. The voucher is now marked paid. A payment record is kept for the audit trail, and the person who raised it is notified automatically that the money has gone out. She settles the remaining approved voucher in exactly the same way. With that, every approved voucher has been paid. That is the full payment journey in ZetaFisc. A bill is raised, approved at 2 levels, and finally released by the payment team, with a complete record kept at every step.